We are moving slowly, guys, because there is an accident. This is, we are entering, we are not yet. Actually, very traffic, so we are moving slowly. Now we are entering tunnel number 1. Chakit Tunnel. There is accident there, and they are resting. I don't understand why they moving there. Inside the tunnel. Let's see. There is another accident over there. Inside the tunnel, close by here. Oh, there's an accident outside there. 2 white cars. I don't know what happened. And then there's another one there, but it's still far. Let's see again. Guys, ito'y pang-apat na tunnel na. Hindi ko na binidyohan yung isa, dalawa. Ay, yung dalawa, tatlo. Pang-apat na ito. Ito na yung pang-5, guys. Ayan. Pang-5 tunnel natin to. Ang takbo natin dito ay 90. Kanina doon ay sa pangalawa at pangatlo, ang takbo ay 50 lang kasi ano, mabagal lang, may aksidente may aksidente doon. Ayan. 5. Kasunod na yung isa pa, pang-6. Ito na, guys, yung pang-6. We are approaching the 6th channel. Not channel, but tunnel. Ayan. Sunod-sunod dyan, guys, ha. Yung tunnel na yan. In between ng mga bundok. So walang traffic, so 90 ang takbo namin. Ayan. Sa Bandaro naman ang pang-7, ayun, sa malayo. So wala ding traffic, so 90 rin takbo. Hindi ko na siya kukunan ng sa loob, guys, kasi pare-pareho lang naman yan. Pinapakita ko lang yung pang 7. Okay, so ayan, palapos na kami ng 7. Medyo malayo-layo ng kaunti yung pang 8. Ito na, guys, yung pang 8. Ayan, pang 8. entrance lang ang kukunan na natin, kukunan ng video kasi mapapahaba lang. Ganun din naman ang